Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Curry leaves are one of the must-have ingredients for many regional Indian dishes. If you are lucky enough to own a curry leaf plant in your kitchen garden, you know how important it is to have that curry leaf plant thrive to produce fresh, fragrant leaves. But did you know that the secret of getting a curry leaf plant to grow more leaves is regularly pruning the curry leaf plant? We had a bushy curry leaf which is turned into this because of the severe cold winter season. If you have been watching us and some of our previous video, you must have known that spring is the best season for pruning any kind of plant. Previously, we have uploaded a video about curry leaf plant care. So if you are interested, you can watch that video from the description below. Most inexperienced curry leaf plant owners are afraid to prune a curry leaf plant. They avoid trimming the plant in hopes of getting a big curry leaf tree. My mom only prunes this plant 2 times in a year, one in the spring season and the second time in the rainy season. After digging the soil well, my mom is giving right now nitrogen-based fertilizer. You can use leaf compost, kitchen waste compost or any other compost of your choice. I have told in the previous videos that buttermilk fertilizer and rice water is the best fertilizer for curry leaf plant. This is another curry leaf plant. We are going to repot this plant today. If you wonder, should I prune my curry leaf plant? The answer is yes, you should prune your curry leaf plant when it reaches at least 12 inches tall. Pruning will help the curry leaf plant branch out, become bushy and avoid becoming leggy. But avoid pruning the plant in winter as this can damage the plant. It is important to understand that a curry leaf plant does not produce leaves on the old wood. Once the existing leaves are harvested or die down, no new leaves will grow from that place. To produce new leaves, the plant will either have to grow tall or need that to grow new branches. My mom has took the plant out of the pot and she has also done the pruning of the roots, as you can see. Then clean the roots thoroughly and then dip your plant in bioenzyme water for 30 to 40 minutes. On the other hand, let's see how my mom is preparing the soil. As you all know, curry plants don't give out flowers or fruits and it is more of like a leafy plant. So it needs high nitrogen based soil. My mom has mixed some tea leaf compost with the soil. My mom also has added a few amount of banana peel fertilizer and a few amount of eggshell fertilizer, as you can see. Let us mix it and now let us put it in this pot. In the lower part of the pot, my mom has made a composting bed for the plant. It is made with soil, dry leaves and kitchen waste. Then a layer of the already prepared soil that we just right now made. And now this is the plant. We are going to now put it into the soil. I I will surely show you how this plant has grown and has been more strong and healthy in the next video. After repotting, you must give a lot of water. You must give that much water from where the water will come out of the drain. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.